Oscilloscope probe accuracy is a big deal, especially when dealing with the latest mobile technology standards, such as MIPI or DDR. Find out more about Keysight's probing solution with the highest accuracy across the widest frequency range, enabling high-speed digital design engineers to see the truest representation of their signal. We're talking about Keysight's InfiniiMax Ultra Series, the highest accuracy differential probe family for high-speed digital applications. In this video, you will learn 3 high-speed digital challenges that this probe family tackles, why it's better than other probes, and what probe heads and oscilloscopes can be used with these probes. Challenge number 1. Each new generation of high-speed digital standards bring faster rising edges, which require higher bandwidth probes. The InfiniiMax Ultra Series goes all the way up to 25 gigahertz of bandwidth, enabling you to keep up with the speeds for the latest standards. Challenge number 2. Mobile devices and other technologies are adopting high impedance modes to save power. But to accurately characterize the signal in the high impedance modes, you need a probe with high enough impedance to reduce probe loading. Otherwise, the probe loading will distort your signal. The InfiniiMax Ultra Series has an impedance profile with RC architecture, enabling the lowest loading across the widest frequency range for the most accurate representation of your signal, even as it transitions between low and high impedance modes. Challenge number 3. Mobile devices are shrinking in size, requiring more dense printed circuit assemblies. Accessing signals on those printed circuit assemblies requires more flexible probe heads. The InfiniiMax Ultra Series is compatible with the micro solder-in probe head, the smallest, most flexible probe head in the industry. Why are the InfiniiMax Ultra Series probes better than other probes out there? Number 1, the InfiniiMax Ultra Series has the highest probe impedance across the most frequencies, giving you the lowest probe loading and most accurate representation of your signal. Number 2, the InfiniiMax Ultra Series has the lowest noise in its class. Number 3, the InfiniiMax Ultra Series probes create the easiest to use probing system. They are compatible with over 15 different probe heads and many more accessories. And they are also compatible with Keysight's Infinium oscilloscopes. You can save time with Infinimode, which enables you to measure differential, single-ended, and common mode signals without changing your measurement setup. And with just a push of a button, you can view your differential measurements in TrueView or source estimate mode, enabling you to own the decision of how you want to correct the probe response. Lastly, you get a wider dynamic range with 3 attenuation ratios. Boost test margins, make better design decisions, and gain confidence with Keysight's InfiniiMax Ultra Series, the highest accuracy differential probe family for high-speed digital applications. Find out more at our website.